Alright guys, I'm gonna show you really quick. Some of you asked, and I told you I was gonna drop a video really quick showing you the system here. Um, After some of you addressed a few things like using the anchor here was going to kind of destroy, the bow of the boat here in the keel area. Um, so uh, I'm guessing that may be a long-term something to consider in the long term. Um, but so just really quickly, because some of you guys wanted to see it in action. Obviously, you graph your line, and you take it out of the tracks, like so, and just drop your anchor, right? And just drop it, and obviously it's gonna stay in place because of this here and the area that is in. I am going to so, anyway. So pulling it up is the same thing. Just pull this paracord until it comes all the way up, and just I don't think I'll even with one hand. Yeah, that's it. It's just a matter of pulling it and then cinching it down right there, and that's it. And this puppy's not going anywhere. I can look at this. I'm pulling the whole kayak with it, and it's not going. If you have to feel it to believe it. I don't know how to say that, but yeah, that's. I may put some keel guard here. I forgot what they call it for that keel guard. I don't know, but that's. I may also be concerned about this area here. I might be slicing into it from the paracord. I'm not sure. This is pretty hard plastic, but like with anything, you abuse it like that too many times in the same area, it is going to show some signs of tear and wear. Now, the main event is here. This is why I'm here. Boom. So I made my own DIY kayak light. The total cost of this was, so the light was $12 on Amazon, if I'm not mistaken. 15 bucks. No, yeah, like 15 bucks. 15 bucks. And I already had an old Berkeley rod that I wasn't using, right? So see, and so what I did was really basic stuff, because I'm not really much of a handy person myself. The light itself just comes with it comes with a stand. I took the stand out, I cut the middle portion here, the metal, and just removed the stand. I took the wire and I passed it through the middle of the pole, because the pole is hollow, obviously. And then coming down here, let me show you guys. I was able to drill a small hole right there, and just where the cable comes out of, take it down to my battery pack on my waterproof box over there. Now, the neat part about this is not only affordable, because really, it doesn't get no affordable than that. And it's a 12-volt battery light. So yeah, again. So let me show you guys really quick how I got this on the. I gotta get my pliers and remove this portion here. But what I do is I take a little wrench and I loosen it, and then I remove it out of the track and store it in my trunk. When I'm ready, I hardly do night fishing. Honestly, the reason I did this was just because I ain't had shit else to do. That's the truth. Now, taking this out, let me see if I have to get my pliers real quick. Now I'm going to show you guys some really cool tricks here that you should know about Yak Attack tracks. Now, removing this here allows me to. I have my see. I have my what do you call it? My wrench in the car, and I didn't bring it because I was not prepared. So just removing this. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Just bear with me a second. There it goes. So you remove it. This is the setup right here. This is it. Now, here's the cool part. Oops. So Lowe's has these toilet bolts that come in a set of 2 with the washer and the nut. And these puppies are flat, like so. So they fit in the Yak Attack track, no problem. No problem at all. I mean, they're perfect. They literally, let me show you how they fit. Show you guys real quick. Oh, I bent the washer. So that means I'm tightening it too much. So this is how they go. Take it, put it in your Yak Attack track, mount it, turn it like you do, or usually what I do is if I turn the rod, it'll start bending the washer. So now I'm just gonna start taking my wrench and just tying that up. It takes like 2 seconds and then you're out on the water. And that's pretty much it. And it's solid. I mean, it's so solid that look, it actually warped the washer. That's how tight I'm getting it on the track. Now, if you don't want it on the track, you could also take this bolt, cut it, cut the flat portion of it right here. Let me show you. Cut this portion of it off, this flat area here. Just cut it off and keep the bolt, just the bolt and the threads, and you can hook it to here. It's exactly the same thread as this is. I took it. So yeah, I dropped my phone, sorry. But yeah, you can just always take that part, cut it off, and secure it here. And then you can have, for example, this giving you light at night, so you can record, at night too, using your camera, because it's providing light. The cool part about this, let me show you guys how I power this little light. Now here comes the real science behind this. The cool part, because we all like to be lightweight when we're using kayaks, right? Want to go ultra light. Now this is gonna be the main event of the evening. Bam! This is how I'm gonna power that light right there. This is how this light gets powered, just like this. With this, so I have a battery booster pack that I use to light up the kayak. Holy shit, I'm lost for words. I'm sorry, guys. I use it to power the light. So basically, this is the heart of it all right here. The light, 12-volt battery, 12-volt light, only powered by a 10,000 milliamp battery pack. How am I able to do this? Some of you have asked. Easy. Get a step up voltage step up meter thingy, right? And you can buy them on eBay. So you stick it to your battery pack, and that's that little part. So here we're reading right now 4 volts, 5 volts. Well, we can increase that power to 9 volts, and from 9 volts we can increase it to 12 volts if we want. Let me show you. See, it goes straight to 12 volts because that's what I programmed it. That's going to be 9 volts. That's going to be 5 volts, which is what normally these battery packs provide, 5 volts. But with the step-up module, you're able to increase it to 9 volts if you want it. I'm sorry, this button here. Increase it to 9 volts. Come on. Am I hitting the right button here? Oh, sorry. Okay, here we go. So that's 5 volts. You see this little light here? It's going to be shining 5 volts. That's 5 volts. Now it's at 9 volts. See that 9 volts there? And now we can increase it to 12 volts, making it even brighter. And when you're at the last little, let me see if I can zoom in so you guys can see that it's 12 volts. There it goes. 14. This can go all the way to 20 volts. Let me see if, oh, there it's nice and crisp right there. See? 15 to 20 volts, 9 volts to 10 volts, and 4 to 6.9 volts. So if we take it down to 9 volts, your light will dim out. But if you take it to 5 volts, your light will completely turn off. This method here that I came up with, let me go back up to 12 volts. Boom. This method here, and what I do is I just store it in my electronic storage bin here, and I use this splicer to also hook up my action camera to the same battery pack, just with a splicer, so I can provide power for two things: my light and my camera. Sorry, this is out of zoom. Here we go. My light and my camera. You got this? All with less than a half a pound. I can power that light, which I tested it last night. I left it on all night, and it was on all night. When I woke up in the morning, the battery was only at 75%, and it was on all night, and it only drew 25% of the battery in 8 hours time. That's amazing. That's two nights of fishing, 2.5 pushing it. But I mean, it's a 10,000 battery milliamp, so lithium battery. You can't ask for more. It's less than a half a pound. Maybe, I don't know, maybe 6-7 ounces. And it also powers my my action camera. So that is my rig right now. Obviously, I don't have the pedal drive. There's nothing here. There's no rig to show you guys. Really cool trick. Also want to show you guys while I'm here. These are also another method of, if you're going camping and you want to strap all your shiznit into the back of this kayak, you can strap everything down with these. And these, all you buy them is at Lowe's. Again, you don't need to buy the expensive stuff over at yakattack.com. Up that noise. You take it, you go to Home Depot, and you buy you some of these. That'll fit the thread. Again, these threads are universal, and you're done. Now you have different ways to, including for your yak attack tracks. However, before I discovered this method, what I did is I actually went on Amazon and I bought these guys here. These guys are on sale on Amazon. But you can create this with these other ones they sell at Lowe's. Literally the same thing, same stainless steel, same BS. Okay? So, yeah. Put this guy back. There we go. Oh, shit. Anyway, so yeah. That's pretty much the setup right now. I'll do this later. I just wanted to show you guys before I turn the camera off what the dealie is with my setup, how I do this. Some of you guys wanted to see the anchor system, which I will agree with one guy. I mean, I can see this being a problem, just beating up the keel of the kayak. So I may take an anchor system where it drops it comes up to the tip here. It just comes up, and it's like a system where like it sits on a rail here. Like, I forgot what it's called. They sell it everywhere. I may do that, but if I did, I don't know, I'll block my light for at night. This is another lithium battery light, and it's pretty bright. I mean, it's daylight right now, but look how bright this guy is. So, and that's medium, and that's SOS. Another item I found on Amazon. That's it, kids. I ain't got nothing else. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions, let me know. This whole rig here, again, I just took a long cable. That's it. That's all I did. I explained how I rigged that rod, and that's the setup right now. I mean, battery pack, 12-volt system, battery pack. You know, just gotta be ready when you're out on the water. You know, just gotta be ready. Got my flashlight, True Night flashlight. This puppy is so bright. My God, this will make a dumb person bright. Holy smokes, that was a good one. That was fire right there. All right, guys, that's it. That's all I got for you. If you have any questions, make sure just let me know. Also, these seats are notorious for messing up your lumbar. I mean, my kidneys are hurting when I'm done fishing. So I got the memory foam, and that's really helped quite a bit. Anyway, hope you guys liked the video. Be safe.